Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting future of space travel and the possibility of colonizing other planets. With rapid advancements in technology and major space missions underway, humans are getting closer to making interplanetary life a reality. Join us as we explore the challenges, innovations, and what it will take to live beyond Earth. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on the future of space exploration. Number 5. Global collaboration. Space exploration and colonization efforts will require global cooperation on an unprecedented scale. No single country or organization can manage the complexities of space travel, colonization, and planetary development alone. By pooling resources, expertise, and technology, space agencies and private companies worldwide can tackle challenges like transportation, life support, and resource management more efficiently. For example, NASA's collaboration with the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Russian space agency Roscosmos has already led to significant advancements in human spaceflight and research. International partnerships can also help reduce the financial burden on any single nation and allow for shared risk in long-term missions. Furthermore, as private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin take the lead in advancing space technologies, it's crucial for governments to set regulatory frameworks that promote safety, security, and fairness in the space industry. The involvement of multiple nations and private sectors fosters a more inclusive approach, ensuring that the benefits of space exploration are distributed globally. Ultimately, the successful colonization of other planets depends on cooperation between governments, space agencies, and private entities, working together to achieve the common goal of human presence beyond Earth. Number 4. Space tourism. Space tourism is rapidly becoming a stepping stone toward more advanced space travel. As companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic continue to develop spacecraft capable of suborbital flights, the idea of civilians traveling to space is moving from science fiction to reality. These developments not only open the door to space exploration for the public, but also help fund more ambitious space projects, such as Mars colonization. By making space travel accessible to non-professionals, space tourism can drive technological innovation, improve safety protocols, and reduce the cost of launching larger, more complex missions. These private companies are focusing on making space travel more routine and affordable, ultimately creating the infrastructure necessary for long-term missions to other planets. As the industry grows, it may even help establish permanent human presence in space, with space hotels or research stations that could eventually evolve into hubs for interplanetary travel. Moreover, the growing interest in space tourism can stimulate public interest and investment in space exploration, making the dream of colonizing other planets more attainable in the near future. Number 3. Terraforming and sustainability. Colonizing other planets presents numerous challenges, with one of the most significant being how to create a sustainable environment for human life. Terraforming, the process of altering a planet's atmosphere to make it more Earth-like, is a concept that has gained traction in space exploration discussions. For instance, Mars, often considered a candidate for colonization, has an inhospitable atmosphere, lacking sufficient oxygen and possessing extreme temperatures. Scientists are researching potential ways to transform the Martian environment, such as introducing greenhouse gases to warm the planet and create a thicker atmosphere. The goal would be to eventually make the environment more suitable for human habitation. In addition to terraforming, life support systems will be necessary for the initial stages of colonization. These systems would manage oxygen, water, and waste recycling to sustain astronauts in space or in early colonies. Solar energy, nuclear power, and other renewable energy sources will play a key role in ensuring long-term sustainability. Successfully combining terraforming efforts with advanced life support technologies could make off-world colonization possible, though the process would likely take centuries to achieve. Number 2. Private sector involvement. Private companies are playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of space travel and exploration. Traditionally, space missions were the domain of government agencies, like NASA or Roscosmos. But companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are changing the game. These private enterprises bring fresh innovation, cost-saving strategies, and ambitious goals to the industry. SpaceX, for instance, has already revolutionized the space industry with its Falcon rockets and the Starship program, aiming to make human life multiplanetary, with Mars as the primary target. This push towards reusable spacecraft is drastically reducing the cost of space travel. opening up the possibility for more frequent missions. In addition to spacecraft development, private companies are also focused on space tourism. As they develop suborbital flight technologies, they aim to make space accessible to the public, which could fund future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. With the backing of significant private investment, these companies are not only advancing space travel, but also ensuring a competitive, sustainable, and rapidly evolving space exploration landscape. Number 1. Technological advancements. Space travel has made incredible strides due to breakthroughs in propulsion systems and reusable rocket technology. Companies like SpaceX have introduced Falcon rockets that can return to Earth, land, and be reused for multiple missions, drastically reducing launch costs. This innovation has the potential to make space travel more affordable and accessible, an essential step toward colonizing other planets. Moreover, advancements in ion propulsion systems and nuclear-powered engines could reduce travel time to distant planets like Mars. These technologies allow spacecraft to travel faster and more efficiently than conventional chemical rockets, bringing interplanetary travel within reach. Another important development is the enhancement of spacecraft durability. Spacecraft must endure extreme conditions, including high radiation levels and temperature fluctuations, during long missions. New materials and shielding techniques are being developed to protect astronauts and equipment during these journeys. As these technological advancements continue, the dream of establishing human colonies on other planets seems increasingly attainable. The future of space travel is becoming more promising, and each innovation brings us closer to the reality of interplanetary exploration. Thanks for watching. We've explored the exciting possibilities of space travel and colonizing other planets. The future is full of amazing opportunities as technology advances. Be sure to subscribe for more content on space exploration, innovations, and futuristic trends. Don't miss out. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.